In the last section, we're going to talk about managing software technology in teams. This is really important. Teamwork is one of the biggest contributing factors to a successful software project. So how do you build a team? How do you build a team that's remote and virtual? That's even more challenging in different cultures, different geographic locations. How do you form the right team to address the project that you're trying to build? It's very, very important to make sure you put some thought into this. We're going to talk about all those factors that come into building a high-performance team. We're also going to talk about some open source software development concepts. This is very important. Obviously, there's 12 million lines of code just in Linux. There's tens of millions of lines of open source code with the tools and other open source components around that. That management is very difficult. The licensing issues, how do you pull open source in, how do you modify it, how do you push it out, how do you upstream it? There's a ton of stuff we need to understand about how to manage software like this. We're going to talk about all that, and I'll show you some tips and tricks for how to be effective at managing open source software. This is an area that is growing in importance in the industry, across all industries. So we're going to talk about state-of-the-art concepts like this for how to manage these types of software challenges as we go into this next century.